Welcome to Tech Explorer. Today, we are diving into one of the most anticipated smartphones of the year, the Nothing Phone 3A. With Nothing rapidly gaining popularity for its distinctive design and innovative features, the Phone 3A is set to take things to the next level. It promises a flagship-level experience with a stunning AMOLED display, powerful Snapdragon 7's Gen 3 processor, an advanced triple-camera system, and its signature Glyph interface. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a gamer, or someone who loves a unique smartphone experience, this device aims to deliver exceptional performance and aesthetics. So, let's take a deep dive into everything the Nothing Phone 3A has to offer. Nothing has always been known for its unique, transparent design, and the Phone 3A continues that trend. The transparent back panel showcases the intricate internals of the phone, making it stand out in a sea of similar-looking devices. The sleek aluminum frame ensures a premium in-hand feel, while the lightweight construction makes it easy to hold and use for extended periods. Additionally, the extra customizable button on the side allows users to assign various shortcuts, making navigation even more seamless. The 6.8-inch AMOLED display on the Nothing Phone 3A is truly a treat for the eyes. With a 120 Hz refresh rate, interactions feel incredibly smooth, whether you're scrolling, gaming, or watching high refresh rate content. The FHD Plus resolution ensures sharp visuals, while the deep blacks and vibrant colors make media consumption immersive and enjoyable. HDR support further enhances contrast, providing richer colors and better brightness levels, perfect for watching HDR content on platforms like YouTube and Netflix. One of the most iconic features of Nothing smartphones is the Glyph interface, and the Phone 3A takes it up a notch. The LED lighting system on the back is not just for aesthetics, it serves practical functions as well. The Glyph lights can be customized for different notifications, ringtones, and even charging progress. Whether it's a specific pattern for calls, an alert for messages, or a visual indicator for voice assistance, the Glyph interface makes interactions more intuitive and visually appealing. This feature is particularly useful for quick notifications when your phone is placed face down, eliminating the need to constantly check the screen. At the heart of the Nothing Phone 3A is the Snapdragon 7's Gen 3 processor, a powerful and efficient chipset designed for seamless multitasking and high-end gaming. Whether you're switching between multiple apps, streaming 4K videos, or playing graphics-intensive games, the Phone 3A ensures smooth and lag-free performance. The Adreno GPU further enhances gaming capabilities, delivering stunning graphics and fast response times. The device is equipped with LPDDR5 RAM and UFS 3.1 storage, ensuring faster app loading times and fluid navigation. Whether you're a casual user or a power user, the Nothing Phone 3A can handle anything you throw at it. Thanks to its advanced cooling system, the device maintains optimal temperatures even during extended gaming sessions, preventing overheating and ensuring sustained performance. Nothing has stepped up its camera game with the Phone 3A's triple camera system, designed to capture high-quality images and videos in any lighting condition. The 50MP main sensor delivers stunning clarity and detail, while the advanced AI processing ensures accurate colors and sharp contrasts. For those who love capturing distant subjects, the 50MP telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom offers sharp, detailed shots even from afar. This feature is perfect for zooming in on landscapes, taking portraits, or capturing moments without losing quality. The 8MP ultra-wide lens ensures you can fit more into every shot, making it ideal for group photos, landscapes, and creative perspectives. On the front, The 32MP selfie camera ensures you get sharp and well-balanced selfies, even in low-light conditions. Whether you're taking selfies, making video calls, or creating content, the Phone 3A's front camera ensures excellent results every time. The device also supports 4K video recording, advanced stabilization, and AI-powered enhancements, making it a great choice for content creators and vloggers. Battery life is a crucial aspect of any smartphone, and the Nothing Phone 3A does not disappoint. With its 5,000 mAh battery, you can enjoy an entire day of usage without needing to recharge. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or working on the go, the efficient power management ensures long-lasting battery life. When it's time to recharge, the Phone 3A supports 45W fast wired charging, meaning you can get 50% charge in just 20 minutes. This ensures that you spend less time waiting and more time using your device. The battery optimization features in Nothing OS 3.1 further improve efficiency and longevity, ensuring that your phone stays powered throughout the day. The Nothing Phone 3A comes with full 5G support, enabling superfast internet speeds, low latency, and smooth connectivity. Whether you are streaming high-resolution content, playing cloud-based games, or video calling, the 5G capabilities ensure a lag-free experience. In addition to 5G, the phone also supports Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3, NFC, and an in-display fingerprint scanner for enhanced security and convenience. The stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos deliver immersive sound quality, making media consumption more enjoyable. Running on Android 15 with Nothing OS 3.1, the Phone 3A offers a bloat-free, smooth, and highly customizable user experience. The software is designed to be clean, efficient, and responsive, without unnecessary pre-installed apps slowing things down. The Nothing OS interface stays true to the brand's minimalist approach, focusing on essential features and user control. Users can customize their home screen, adjust the Glyph interface settings, and enjoy a seamless integration with Nothing's ecosystem, making for a personalized experience. The software also includes AI-powered optimizations, such as intelligent battery management, adaptive refresh rate adjustment, and real-time voice translation. The Nothing Phone 3A is a unique smartphone that combines powerful hardware, an innovative design, and a clean software experience. With its stunning AMOLED display, efficient Snapdragon 7's Gen 3 processor, impressive triple camera system, long battery life, and the distinctive Glyph interface, it stands out as one of the most exciting smartphones in its segment. Whether you're someone who loves premium aesthetics, gaming, photography, or productivity, the Phone 3A offers something for everyone. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated with the latest smartphone news, leaks, and reviews, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Explorer. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Stay tech savvy.